Unblock the flow of money into your life. Stop using these negative words. Hey there, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you so much for joining us. We share a video every single day, Monday through Friday. And be sure and subscribe. Click the bell icon because we are here for you with the law of attraction, the latest in the mind sciences, and of course, ancient mystical technologies. Oh yeah, negative words, unblocking that flow of money. We all use negative words because our minds are programmed to oftentimes think negatively, especially if we were raised that way or if we were around parents or friends or other people who had an influence on us at a younger age. So I'm going to give you some words and sentences to stop using and replace them with something more powerful, something more invigorating, something more abundance, mastering, and manufacturing. I like that, mastering and manufacturing. Get it? Okay. Number one, filthy and dirty. He's filthy rich. Okay. Why can't he be clean rich? Why can't he be he's so rich, he's squeaky clean. You know, this filthy rich stuff, his money is dirty. He earned his money the dirty way. Well, look, all money is dirty. If you handle a lot of money, you need to put some disinfectant on your hands after handling money. But the truth of the matter is money's just neutral. It's just a vibration. And to say that it's filthy, or the person that owns the money is filthy, or the person that is attracting the money is filthy, or the person is dirty, it's only saying, don't be like them. Be poor instead. It's giving a command to your subconscious mind to be poor. There is no such thing as filthy rich. There's just rich. And rich is, say it with me, come on, good. Rich is good. Money is good. The vibration of money is good. High flyers, number 2 is an important word to give up. And that word is need. I just need to pay my rent. I just need some money for my car payment. I just need an extra $10. When you operate your life from need rather than attract, I am manifesting, I am creating, I am building, not I need. Come on. Give up the need stuff, because the need stuff, again, sends a message to your subconscious mind. And so your subconscious starts to operate from a position of need. You start to feel needy, and that's the message you send to the infinite field of potential. So the universe, guess what? It gives you more opportunities to be needy. Oh, you need to take control of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is critical. It's the doorway to unlimited power. It's the doorway to unlimited wealth. It's the doorway to love and the relationship you truly desire. If I had any wish, if the genie came out of the bottle and gave me any wish, I wish that I would have learned some of these secrets when I was younger. Because like so many people, I operated from a position of need. Give up the word need. The next word is poor. Well, there are parts of the world where people are truly poor. If you are on welfare in the United States of America, if you're getting food stamps in the United States of America, you are wealthier than 3/4 of the world. You have more money, more wealth than most people do in other parts of the world. So think about it. Why do you think so many people want to come here and get on our welfare system? Because we take good care of our people. You may say, well, it's not enough. It doesn't supply my needs. And that's not the idea. The idea is to give up the word poor. Stop thinking of yourself as poor. Think of yourself as rich. Say it right now. Come on, clap your hands together. Ready? I am rich. And guess what? You're not even filthy. You're just rich. Start to feel rich, start to think rich, start to act rich. Use the rich word often. Give up the poor word, and the universe will begin to match you, and that means more money flowing into your bank account. So high flyers, the next word is debt. I'm in debt. I'm in debt. I can't afford this. I can't afford that. Don't you understand, Robert? I am in debt. I'm in debt up to... Have you ever heard that one? I'm in debt up to my eyeballs. One thought. One action. One word can change your whole financial picture overnight from being in debt to being very, very rich, very wealthy, and having money come in from a variety of sources. It only takes giving up one thought or adopting one thought. One of the thoughts you might want to give up is that you're in debt. Because no matter how deep in debt you are right now, in the scope of wealth, it's not that much money. The universe has an infinite amount of money and resources available to you. So let's say you're in debt $250,000. That is nothing compared to 10 million. That's nothing compared to 2 million. You get the idea? It's just a belief that you're in debt. That's your belief. But when you operate from that belief, you attract more of it. And of course, the next word is, I'm struggling. Okay. You are faced with a challenge. And it's okay to have challenges. Challenges are part of life. But you're not struggling. You're too strong. You're too brave. You're too smart. You're too intelligent. You're too magnetic. Start believing these positive things about yourself and give up this word struggling. The next word is the same one. Broke. I'm broke. Robert, don't you understand? I can't do that. I'm broke. You're broke? That means that somebody literally came by and bent you over their knee. And you're broke. You're not broke. You may not have any money on you at this moment, but you have an incredible bank account called the universe. Infinite amounts of money. Infinite amounts of resources, and all you need is one thought to tap into it. Give up one thought. Accept one thought. I've told this story before, and I won't waste your time by going into details, but I had a gentleman who was broke beyond broke, okay? He used the word broke. I'm broke, Robert. And I said, say these words, and say them every day. And say them all day long. Good things are coming my way. Within 6 months, he had a new truck. He had a home. He had a fiance. He was no longer broke because he had a new belief. He had a new belief. Adopt a new belief. Good things are coming my way. Oh, it feels good. Oh, yeah. Write it down below. Good things are coming my way. Lack is another word. We lack the resources. You don't lack anything. You lack the will, perhaps, but you don't lack resources. The next word, greedy. He's just greedy. He's greedy. Let me tell you something, high flyers. You don't get paid what you're really worth because you're priceless. Do you realize you're priceless? There's nothing like you in the world. You're the one of a kind. You can't be duplicated. You are priceless. Understand that. So what are you worth? Well, you're not worth what you're worth. You're never going to get paid what you're worth because you're priceless. Nobody can afford you. You don't get paid what you're worth. You get paid what you negotiate for. And what are you negotiating for with the universe? What are you writing down as your intention? Are you writing down, I just want to pay my bills because I'm broke? Or are you writing down, I am manifesting $100,000, $50,000, $200,000, whatever your number is. Stingy. We see people with money and we assume that they're stingy. Do you realize every time you assign a bad word to somebody with money, it keeps you from achieving money? It keeps you from having money because you don't want to be like those people. Stingy, another word. That's a word you got to give up. If a person is good with savings, if a person is tight with their money and keeps it close to their belt, isn't frivolous, they're not stingy, they're conservative. That's a positive word. So, high flyers, the final word is want. And people say it all the time. I get this 1,000 times a day. We get 1,000 emails a week. When you send us an email, you must include your phone number, or we just don't have time to get back to you. But people will say, I want this. I want to save my marriage. I want to make more money. Consider the word desire instead of want. Now, we use the word want in our marketing because it shows up better in Google's algorithm and so forth than desire. But personally, give up the word want altogether because you don't want to operate your life from a position of always wanting. Remember, you attract what you are. You're going to get more wanting that way. I desire. I am manifesting. I am creating. I am building. I am attracting. Those are positive ways of expressing something coming into your life, new energy, new resources coming into your life. But give up the word want. Now, your subconscious mind is your best friend for manifesting incredible abundance, wealth beyond your wildest dreams, saving your relationship, winning the lottery, whatever it is, it happens with the subconscious mind. But if your subconscious mind is not in alignment with your conscious mind, you're going to find it very, very difficult to manifest what you truly desire. We have created a special website for you. It is called Miracle Hypnosis Online. And we are adding new dynamic programs to the library every single day. When you join Miracle Hypnosis Online, you have access to the entire library. Unlike some programs where they're only going to give you access to one little program, we give you access to my entire library, and I am adding at least 2 to 3 new programs every month to the library. This gives you almost unlimited resources to recondition, realign, retune your subconscious mind to start manifesting and attracting the life you desire. I hope you'll check it out. Miracle Hypnosis Online. Hey, I gotta go. You have a great day because you deserve it. Bye-bye now.